out the siphon and gut bowl and separate gut from the breast. Scrub with salt and rinse to clean. There are some similar species worldwide, but Geoduck specifically is the world's largest burrowing clam, abundant in the inland waters of the Pacific Northwest. Despite its spelling, it is pronounced Geoduck, derived from the local Native American word meaning dig deep. While the harvest season is often restricted by the local regulations, Geoducks, in terms of species, are available year-round. If you want to pick the better season, however, early spring just before the breeding season or winter when the temperature drops and the meat becomes sweeter are recommended. The neck or siphon is commonly used in chowders. The body meat, when sliced, pounded, and sautéed, just resembled abalone. In this sushi tutorial, it demonstrates how to prepare Geoduck for sushi and sashimi to take advantage of its freshness. Using a paring knife, detach the clam away from the shell. It is only firmly attached to the inner shell with the adductor muscle, so find the right spot to avoid unnecessary damage. Beware of the sharp edges. Make a slit around the joint of the siphon and gut bowl and separate gut from the breast. Scrub with salt and rinse to clean. Blanch the clam in boiling water for 10 seconds to loosen the skin. Make sure to prepare iced water alongside to be immediately chilled so it won't get cooked. Use the same water to sterilize the shell. You can utilize the shell for plating and presentation with fresh looking. Starting from the breast, peel the entire skin off the siphon. It should slip off just like a glove. You may split the breast here. Cut half open the siphon lengthwise and wash to remove all traces of sand and grit. Once the tough outer skin is removed, the remaining breast meat is quite tender, while the siphon is much firmer. You can use them separately for different recipes. Use the Nigiri technique for easier chewing. Namigiri technique is explained more in detail with octopus in another tutorial. You can also prep the gut ball for your preference. Cut in half and remove the fin-like structure with the edge of the knife. Scoop out the entrails with a spoon. Prepare boiled water with a dash of sake and salt, and cook the gut. You can marinate them with soy sauce or pan fry with butter for a delicious option. Subscribe the channel for the series of professional tutorials and more practical ideas.